Hey awesome people, Elly Awesome here, and I'm back with another sick unboxing because today I'm unboxing the Xbox Series X. That's right, I have had a little sneak peek of this one, not gonna lie, but I haven't actually unboxed the console itself. I just kind of like peeled open the seals and just took a little look. So here we go. Ooh. Okay, you're up to where I'm at now. This is all I've seen. Here we go. I am so pumped to see the actual size of this. Ooh, it's a heavy boy. Oh, does that scare you? I'm sorry about that if I did. Wow, okay, we'll just chuck this aside for the moment. This is a big boy, and yet still so compact. We'll just take off the little message here. Ooh, it's so exciting. Xbox, hello from Seattle. Oh, hi! Hey from Australia. Off we go. I've also unboxed the Xbox Series S, if you want to check that out. But, ooh, I like that green. You know, that little illusion everyone won't stop talking about? It's not a light, it's just green. I'm into it. Oh, that's a great size. Bit of a tower, but I vibe it. And of course you have a disc drive on the front here. Very nice. Show you the back. Check that out. All right, before I give you some sexy close-ups, I will unbox the peripherals, components and everything. So we have our high-speed HDMI cable. Very exciting. Gonna use that on my new fancy TV. It's gonna look so good. I've also got my Aussie wall plug. Need that. And I suppose this is our controller. Oh, battery attack. 2 AA's. Beautiful controller. That's it, besides the little Xbox warranty agreement. We love it. There also is a quick start guide. All right, time to place everything aside for you and get some close-ups. Xbox Series X. And for more awesome tech, make sure to follow me on my social medias, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.